How to activate dark mode on Android in most simple way. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To activate dark mode on Android in most simple way, launch settings application. Here you can see that currently the mode has been turned on to the light mode. So simply you have to choose display and brightness depending on your Android phone. Next to light mode, there is dark mode. Tap on it and the dark mode has already been activated on your Android. Also, here are different dark mode settings. You can tap on dark mode settings and choose the style, that is the enhanced, medium or simply gentle. So let's make it to gentle. You can also select the medium or the enhanced one. You can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, also reduce contrast in low light conditions and dark mode for third-party apps also you can select. Come back and here you can easily tap schedule and here you can choose custom and choose the time for dark mode or light mode. So let's tap on dark mode and make it to 9 up to 9 p.m. And after that, you can easily come back and easily you have set or activated dark mode on Android in most simple way. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.